So I will take you through the process of making maize flour. The first process is that picking out the maize, because of if you watch my video from 28th of October, it was about, like, there is a portion showing how the maize is removed from the cobs. So from that you can see that the maize usually like accumulates a lot of dirt. So that is why you have to pick it first before you can take it to the portion mill. So I will finish picking up because it's raining right now. It has begun raining, so I've stopped. So I will show you when I go to the portion mill. Yeah, I was hoping Daudi will come today so that we can record the video today because it's Sunday, but he has not come. But certainly stay tuned and I will show you how they all procedure goes. I've not yet finished my hair, but don't worry. Here's the maize. Here are the clothes I washed. They have not dried. Yeah, I will organize this. This is water, this is also water, bathing water, and then this is for flushing the toilet. I will finish up. Hi guys, so I finished undoing my hair. Now I need to do some dishes here, and then we'll prepare the maize. Look at my hair. We'll prepare the maize and go to the portion mill. I actually prefer using this than this. This one, because this one makes my skin peel. So I need to do the dishes and then I can go to Kisiagi with the Daudi behind there. He's not going to school. He's a truant. He's a truant. So this is how we do the dishes. We don't have a top because it's broke. It is not connected, I don't know. Yeah. So this is how we do the dishes. We have this maize for sabuni, and then we just wash. And then we can clean the remaining maize and go to the portion mill. We've just finished picking the maize now we are going to the portion mill. And don't worry, I'm looking like Ngesh Mdemwamafo. That's me. Yeah, let's go. This is the village vibe. Go to Adima. This is the Kisiagi. This is where you pour the maize and sieve it.
You can do so. As you still wait.
We have finished and we have our maize flour there. Now going home. Look at my hands.
Reni ndani wala ni